Alexis, what is your duckie's name?
Goldie.
How come we didn't catch that, Holly, when we bought that? It has been perfect for the
It
golden
was
egg.
right there.
And it was a golden egg prize. They're still chomping on their gum. They like that bubble yum.
Bubble yum? You mean bubble gum?
It's bubble yum, bubble gum. And there's the cars sitting there. But gone are the days we'll look back at this and say, oh, those cars, look at they were in their mint condition. They're so, worth something now. Because they won't be. Nothing gains value anymore.
Beep beep. Whose car is this?